Hello all, in this lecture we are going to discuss about converting DFAs to regular expressions by eliminating states method. But by using this method we can convert any finite automata to regular expressions. So consider this finite automata DFA. If we want to eliminate state S, means here the state S has k predecessor states q1 q2 up to qk, and let us assume that state S has m number of successor states p1 p2 dot 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 up to pm, and the arcs from predecessor states to state S are labeled by the regular expressions q1 capital letter q1 q2 up to qk, and the arcs from state S to successor states are labeled by p1 p2 up to pm, and the arc from state S to state S is labeled by capital letter S, that is S self transition. The state S has a self transition labeled by the regular expression S, and there are some arcs from predecessor state to successor states, that is predecessor state of state S to successor state of state S. So some arcs. So these arcs are labeled by the regular expression R, capital R, and the suffix is denoted by this one and this one. Similarly, the regular expression on this arc is labeled by R Km. This is RK1 and this one is R1M. So assume that these are all the regular expressions. Now sometimes some arcs may not be present. In that case we need to consider phi. The regular expression is phi. Now if we want to eliminate state S, all arcs involving state S are also eliminated. So state S and all these arcs q1 q2 up to qks, p1 to pm, these are eliminated. So we will have only the predecessor states q1 to qk and the successor states p1 to pm. Then if we have eliminated state S, we need to draw an edge from predecessor state to successor state, and that arc should be labeled by the regular expression. But before seeing this, we need to know about some basic ideas. So for example, if a state S, any state, assume that there is a transition A from this state to this state and another transition on B from a current state to next state, means the regular expression can be written as A plus B, right? Because either we can follow this path or this path. So this plus or we can also write bar, vertical bar, that is union operation or operation, either this path or this path. Then if we have a transition diagram like this, A followed by B, means the regular expression is AB, concatenation of A and B. Suppose a state has a self transition on A, then the regular expression is A star, because here we are going to convert DFAs to regular expression. So if we have the paths like this, from a state, one state to another state, there are two paths, then we have to write A or B, A plus B or A vertical bar B, sometimes A comma B. This is also similar to this. So if we have this representation or this, then the regular expression is A plus B or A or B. If A is followed by B, then we have to concatenate these two symbols. If we have a loop, then we need to write the regular expression as A star. So here if we want to eliminate state S, all the arcs will be eliminated. Now the state transition from state Q1 to P1 should be labeled by, this arc should be labeled by the regular expression R11. This is the direct regular expression. So we will follow this path, and one more path is also there. So how to write this? Q1, if we have the regular expression, if we have the transition diagram like this, we will concatenate the symbols, right? So Q1 followed by any number of S. So S star, Q1 S star, P1. Similarly, the arcs from Qk to Pm, the edge Qk to Pm is labeled by RKM plus, because there are two paths, this path as well as this path. So two paths from the same starting state and same next state. Okay, the two paths are having the same start state and same next state, means we have to write plus. So R11 plus another path Q1 S star P1. Similarly, here RKM plus RKM plus this path, right? So QK S star PM, QK S star PM. Then we have a path from QK to P1. So QK to P1, this arc is labeled by RK1 plus QK S star P1. Similarly, from Q1 to PM, this arc is labeled by R1M plus Q1 S star PM. Similarly, some other states may also have transitions. We have to replace the regular expressions like this. So in this method, we can eliminate state S. Next, we will see the algorithm for converting finite automata to regular expression. So the first step is eliminate all states except start state and final states. So we have to eliminate all the states except the start state Q0 and the final state QF. So if we have eliminated all states in this method, then there are two cases. In some DFAs or some finite automata, Q0 may not be equivalent to QF, or Q0 may be equivalent to QF. The meaning is Q0 and QF are two different states. So in that case, after eliminating all the states, we will be left out with two-state finite automata, and the start state may have some self transition, final state may have a self transition, and there may be an arc from start state to final state and an arc from final state to start state. So if Q0 is not equal to QF, means we will have two states with four arcs. Sometimes any arc may be missing. In that case, we have to consider 5. So if we will left out with this type of finite automaton, then how to write the regular expression? This is a formula. Regular expression is equal to R plus S U star T the whole to the power star S U star. Okay, now we will see how we have written this. So the state S, the start state has self transition on R, right? Then this is the final state. Okay, so here we can consider a loop. Loop occurs in the start state has one self transition and one loop also occurs here. So we can write this loop as S U star T, right? S, any number of U, T. So another arc, another loop may occur in the start state, and its regular expression is, it is labeled by S U star T. And here still we are not eliminating any state, so still final state exists. So from the start state we can reach the final state by following this arc, and it has a self transition. So if we simplify this loop, we will get R S U star T S U, and we can also combine this two, right? So how can we combine that? If we have two paths, right? The two arcs are having same start state and same final state, same start state and same next state. Current state and next states are equal. Then we can write plus. Okay, this symbol plus that symbol. So we can write R plus S U star T. This loop can be written as R plus S U star T. This is the start state, and this one S U. Okay, so now how to write the regular expression? Any number of this expression followed by s followed by any number of u. So r plus s u star t to the power star s u star. So this expression is retrieved like this from this step. But we have to remember these notations r, s, u, t. Then only we can write the final regular expression as r plus s u star t whole to the power star s u star. We have to remember this formula. Then sometimes q naught may be equivalent to qf, that is start state and final state are same. Okay, so in that case, if we have eliminated all the states, finally we will be left out with only one state, because we will eliminate all states except start and final. Here start and final are similar, so we will have only one state, and a self transition will be there. Only one possible arc here, that is r. Okay, so in this case regular expression is r star, because any number of r. Okay, so the final step is the desired regular expression for the DFA or any finite automata is the union of all the expressions derived for each accepting state, because sometimes DFA may have two or more than one state. So in that case we have to find regular expressions for all the states, and finally we have to perform union operation. Union means that plus. Okay, we have to combine all the regular expressions using plus. So these are the steps for converting finite automata to regular expression. In the next video we will discuss about example. Thank you.